Hey you guys, this is my very first video. Gonna start off, I think the best way is to just go over the car, the build on my Mitsubishi Eclipse 1999. And here's a whole floor of like parts I need to install. We're gonna go over the car, and the install for today was gonna be this carbon fiber carbonetics front lip. It's a pretty basic install, just using some self tappers, but I gotta go to the hardware store and go pick some up. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit and I'll show you how it looks. I gotta take the bumper off too, so I'll be back.
When I was a kid, call me teenager, all I really wanted was a gun and a pager, clocking big figures, now I'm pushing major. I bet myself I'll be a hustler, I put a little wager. Now I'm living lavish, frying steaks, rolling cabbage. From the first day I came up, I knew I'd be a savage. Inner city kid with a lot of big dreams, keep my clothes stainless, but I'm not Mr. Clean. I came up with the cholos, creases in my jeans, they show me how to rock and roll, know what I mean? I know a lot of killers, but it's hard to contain them. When the streets is your shelter, you really can't blame them. I remember we ran from the rollers, I gotta find chick.
Alright guys, the bottom of this bumper's obviously filthy, and I'm not gonna put my carbonetics lip on there when it's looking this filthy. But first,
all my real ones doing life in the pen. Take a step back and look, will you do it again? Pour a little beer out for the ones that we lost. You really pay the price, you really pay the cost. I got your back home and you died for the cause.
alright, so this is a 99 Gsx Eclipse. I've had it for about going 9 years. I've been building it for a long time, slowly but surely. So let's go over some of the parts. It's got an Evo 3 intake, fuel injector clinic 2550s. It's got stock cams, got the COP, JMF header, FP green turbo intake, BS RF. It's got a bunch of nice little addies, teen coilovers. I have the teen EDFC active. I'm about to install. I'm gonna be doing a couple of upgrades, but those are different videos, so stay tuned. I'm about to wash this car actually before I put this bumper and the lip on, but it's filthy as you can see. Yeah.
Pour a little beer out for the ones that we lost. You really pay the price, you really pay the cost. I got your back home and you died for the cause. We ain't finna chalk it up, we ain't taking no loss. Let me take it back, spit and rhyme about another time. Save it in your mental, occasionally press rewind. My uncle Big Doobie used to take me fishing, chilling on the pier, learning composition. I'll never forget the things that you taught me. You taught me real game, man, none of it cost me, but it sure saved my life. You really taught me right, you taught me how to hustle and keep my game tight. I'm sitting on the pier, watching airplanes go by. I learned how to run my beat by watching you try. The killers in the pen don't allow drive-bys. There's rules to the street, so you better fly by like an airplane, homie, with turbo engines. Pull your cars right, homie, you might get a smidgen. Let me break it down to you in another way. You better study hard, you better learn to use your brain. Pour a little beer for the ones that we lost. You really pay the price, you really pay the cost. I got your back home and you died for the cause. We ain't finna chalk it up, we ain't taking no loss. Pour a little beer for the ones that we lost. You really pay the price, you really pay the cost. I got your back home and you died for the cause. We ain't finna chalk it up, we ain't taking no loss. Let me hit your brain spare a minute with some real game. We all bleed red, so we're really all the same. Bust some red lights all through the city. You better be on point, cause this life can get shitty. Major damage inflicted by yourself.
2 more to go, y'all. I used some self tappers, about 1 inch long. It fits perfect. I can't wait to put it on. Put the light on it. Black pearl, baby. It's getting late in the day, so I'll finish up the video tomorrow, put the bumper on tomorrow, show you guys some more. Forgot to tell you guys, I used the number 8 by 1 inch self tappers with the DeWalt self drilling bit, but pretty easy self tapping. and it works great.
Triple OGs, man, we always move with stealth mode. How do you like that? My mama caught me beating a sucker with a baseball bat. I once caught a squirrel trying to take my nano take back. We grew up in the streets, you really can't fake that. Hot boxing in the car, we roll up and bake that. Shout out to the homie Corey coming from Cleveland. He rolled in a Lamborghini Aventador demon. He mobbed like a boss, kept his ride gleaming. Success in my eyes, I'm headed full steaming.
That's the 2G front lip install. Catch you on the next video.